Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq, with daily insight on the Nasdaq-100 index, or the NDX, which is made up of 100 of the largest domestic and international non-financial innovative companies listed right here on the Nasdaq stock market. The NDX has been the barometer for U.S. large cap growth and also one of the best performing indexes over the last decade and a half, not to mention one of the most liquid index ecosystems in the world. Now, speaking of performance, let's take a look at our first chart today. With just under 2 hours to go until U.S. stocks close on Wednesday, February 19th, the Nasdaq-100 is trading nearly 1% higher, hitting a record high and outperforming the other major averages, with tech and consumer discretionary leading the broader market. This is largely driven by hopes that China would take more measures to prop up its economy due to the impact of the coronavirus epidemic. We also had strong PPI and housing data numbers in the U.S. this morning. Now, in terms of individual performance, Tesla is back over 900 and in the top spot of the Nasdaq-100, followed by NVIDIA, ADI, Trip.com, and AMD. The semis overall are having a very strong day. No analyst at Bernstein raised NVIDIA shares to outperform. Meanwhile, Apple rose just about 1.7%, recouping most of the ground lost in the previous session on a surprise sales warning that highlighted concerns about global supply chains as a result of the coronavirus. From the Nasdaq market site in New York City, I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq.